Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat Teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. The name of the dance is Smooth, Sexy Groove. It is a four-wall dance that moves clockwise, beginner friendly, nice upbeat song, and it's a four-wall dance, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. This is going to be a short video, so I want to take the time to say thank you to all those individuals who always leave me a comment. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to leave me a comment. It motivates me, it keeps me motivated, and thank you so very kindly. If you are supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026, I want to say thank you for your support. We sold out so crazy in record time. Thank you for your support. Let's Mess It Up, Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and myself. We are looking forward to hosting you next year. So thank you. If you haven't done so, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. So are you ready? Let's go. So I'm going to start on this wall right here. This wall here because it moved clockwise. So you'll get a chance to visit a few walls, okay? Now, it starts on the left foot, and it starts with a V-step. All right, so the weight is on the right. So we go left, tap, and then we're going to do it on the right. Right, tap. Okay, so far what we're doing on the left, we do on the right. The weight is on the right, and we're going up on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, tap, right, tap. My left heel is up. And you're just going to roll back on the left, tap right, roll back on the right, and tap left. Roll back on the left, tap right, roll back on the right, and tap left. My left heel is up, and that's going to set me up to repeat this same sequence again. So that's right, we're going to do it twice. Starting on the left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, tap right, tap, back left, tap right, back right, tap left. Again, left, tap right, tap back left, tap right, back right, tap left. Okay? So let's do it with the count. 5, 6, 7, left leg. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Tap 6, back 7, tap 8. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8. Simple enough, right? Now, let's add on. We're going to do a step sailor on the left and a step sailor on the right. So just like part 1 started on the left, we ended part 1 with the left heel up. So we automatically going to go step sailor on the left. Step, sailor, rock. Left, right, left, right. Okay, and my last step is going to be on the right. Again, my left heel is up, left, right, right, left, right. We're going to do that sequence again. But on the last 4 counts, we're going to rock to our wall to our right, quarter turn to the right. So step sailor, left, right, right, left, right. And that's how we get to our wall. So I'm going to say this has 2 parts, okay? And each part you're just doing it twice. And it's a left leg lead. All right, so let's go back to the step sailor on the left. Left, right, left, rock, left, right, right. Left, right, turn, left, right. So you're doing a quarter turn to your right. So we here, this is your wall, so the dance move clockwise. Whenever you turn to the right and the dance starts over, we're finished. Whatever wall you start at, If it's to your left, it's counterclockwise. If it's to your right, it's clockwise. Okay, so when we rock left, right, left, right. That's the end of the dance. So we turn to the right, that's clockwise. Then we start it over again. 5, 6 from the top. 1 and 2, tap, 3 and 4, back, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8. 1 and 2, tap, 3 and 4, tap, 5, tap, 6, 7, 8. Step sail. 1, 2 and 3, 4, rock, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step sail. 1, 2 and 3, 4, turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember that wall is to the right. Okay? Don't forget your taps, okay? That's gonna keep your timing. Don't forget your time, your taps. So let's do it from this wall. 5, 6, 7. B step. 1 and 2, tap, 3 and 4, tap, 5, roll back, 5, tap, 6, 7, tap, 8 is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I'm slapping my legs so you can hear how many taps I'm doing, okay? Are you doing those taps? Yes. Step sailor on the left. 1, 2, and 3, 4, rock, 5, 6, 7. Step sailor. 1, 2, and 3, 4, turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that turn, let's take it from here. That turn steps out on the left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So your left shoulder gonna go forward to your right. So you're doing a quarter turn to your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. That is sexy, smooth groove. Let's do it again. From the top. 5, 6, 7 with the B step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back 5, 6, 7. Step sailor. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Step sailor. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8. B step. 1 and 2. Tap 3 and 4. Back 5, 6, 7. B step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7. Step sailor. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7. Step sailor. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. B step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back 5, 6, 7, 8. B step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back 5, 6, 7, 8. Step sailor. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step sailor. 1, 2 and 3. To your right. Turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm not going to do it here because you're going to be looking back, but I am sure that you have it. That is sexy, smooth groove. It is a full wall dance that moves clockwise. It's a 32 count. I like the dance. It's very simple. Instructor, this is another dance you can just cue and call out and keep your class moving. The new people are picking up the V-step with the tap, rolling back, and the step sailor with a quarter turn to your right. You're not making a half turn, you're not making a 3/4 turn. So easy transition and steps for your easy peasy for your beginners, okay? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I love you guys. Thank you so very kindly. Let me say one more thing. I've been doing a little traveling this year, and y'all guys are so gracious and so kind when you come up to me and tell me how much you like the videos, how much you appreciate the videos. And each video, I try to drop a little, tip or gem, and you share that information with me. Thank you so very kindly. I appreciate you guys so very kindly. So that's it. Sexy, smooth groove. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching. Let's dance together. I'll see you in the next video.